We were given the opportunity to test out Axiom Precisions' new compact 2x2 CNC machine and provide our thoughts on the unit. We have had our Axiom Pro V5 machine for quite a while now, and we are super excited to see what this new offering could do. Our goal was to try out everything we would normally do on our Pro machine on this new, more affordable and compact option. Since I am more of the creative person of our duo, I am going to let my husband walk you through all the specs.
Setting up the new Axiom 2x2 machine is pretty straightforward. Install the software, follow their guide video to set up the network port, and the machine is ready to come alive. Axiom pairs this unit with a free copy of VCarve, which is our preferred design and tool pathing software. I think it's worth noting that this machine seems to work best with a network port on a desktop style computer. While the machine did run using a USB to Ethernet adapter on our laptop, the laptop would occasionally disconnect from the USB port, trying to save battery life even when plugged in. And doing a bit of research, it seems like the most modern laptops do that without really any way to turn off the feature. So we switched the machine over to our workshop's desktop with a direct Ethernet connection, and then we had no issues at all. A great way to test a CNC machine's precision is with inlay work. So for our first test, we made a surfboard charcuterie board with a Purple Heart hibiscus flower inlay and margarita jar holders. We designed this project a while back, but never got a chance to make it. Axiom is boasting a 6,000th of an inch accuracy on all axis of this machine, which the best trained human eye can make out about 3,000th of an inch. So realistically, 99% of the population can't even see that tolerance. The big boast here is precision ball screws, not lead screws, and prismatic linear guides. In our testing, this system's reliability and precision is near identical to what we're used to with our Axiom Pro machine. Here we're swapping over to the second tool path in this project, at least for the inlays, that is. So first one was the 1/4 inch end mill, hogging out the majority of the material. Now we're going to go to a finer 30-degree V-bit to make this last carve here. One of the things we were surprised by is that really we didn't have to slow down the tool paths too much to be run even with the smaller 1-horse spindle. We're used to running on a 3-horse spindle with our Pro machine, but especially here with this V-bit, we didn't slow down the tool paths at all. This is still running full speed that we would normally run on our larger machine. Even at that faster speed, you can see here the inlays still fit together perfectly. As the weather in Wisconsin is getting cold, it's a bit out of season, but our frozen margaritas ever really out of season.
Next, we had a friend who has been wanting a grow stick for their 1-year-old and their newborn. Most people think a 2x2 machine means only 2x2 projects, but VCarve is such a powerful tool, it allows you to do tiling to create projects that are even larger than your machine bed.
This growth stick is about 5.5 feet long, so we started by adding a grid to the spoil boards that allows us to mark where we need to move the board in between each cut. With the powerful VCarve software that's packaged with this machine that allows you to do tiling, this really shows that you could do as big of projects as you have space for. I mean, this machine's so compact, it could easily fit on, an office desk or a small workbench. But with the tiling software, as long as you have room to go through the machine, you're really not limited to any tiles. The VCarve software will let you tile to infinity, essentially. So you can make as long of projects as you want. So even on a compact machine like this, you could really make some very massive projects.
I think having a machine that you know is accurate takes away a lot of the frustration of learning to use a CNC machine. You can rely on a machine to be precise and accurate while you focus on learning how to design and toolpath your projects. We've loved this opportunity to try out a new machine, and even though it is more compact, we were able to do everything we would normally do on this new unit with no issue. If we would start our CNC journey over, this is the machine we would start with. If you want to keep up with our next projects, make sure to subscribe on YouTube or follow us on Instagram and TikTok.
Bye.